Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to stretch audio in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go and see how we can stretch any of our recordings and tracks. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the audio recorder option right here. That's going to open up this recording menu, where at the top of the screen we have the big red circle that's going to enable us to start the recording process. And what we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner, where in the middle button is going to enable us to open up this edit mode, where we have mixing mode with all the tracks that we can add. So you can see we have the drums right here. I have my keyboard audio recorder section as well. So now let's say I want to stretch any of the tracks I have right here. Basically guys, all we have to do is just go ahead and find the track we want to stretch, tap on it, and now you want to go ahead and grab the right side of the track. So after clicking the right side of the track, as you can see, we can hold on it and now drag it to wherever we want, and we can stretch our track how much we want. So you can see stretching it is going to enable us, and we want to return it to normal, just go ahead and stretch it to the left and it's going to return to the normal size. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.